So now where we are in a glide record, encoded query. So encoded query is done. So this is what we are going to keep the all the filter query in one line of code and going to filter the things. Right. Now let me go for the next one as well. We have only 10 minutes left, right? Let me go a bit faster. Yeah, see, in encoded query, we can pass the parameters as well. You can give the string, operator, and value. So let me show one by one now. So we are going to use like an skill operations as well for better experience. So this is what we just need to use if you want to compare something. Okay, if you want to assign something, it's like in comparing, not equal to, in, not in, start with, end with, contain, do not contain, instance of. Okay, these will available in our filter as well. So if you observe the something, okay, in filters, contains, not it with. Okay, so see here, category or else any other field, no, not only category, you can go for this. See here, we is not, is one of, contain, start with, end with, does not contain. So these are the things is available here, right? So you can filter by using these as well. In scripting also you can mention these things as well. So let me go down and will show you that. And see, the priority is less than or equal to 2. Okay, less than or equal to 2 in the sense the priority should less than 2. It is nothing but 1 only it will should come. Okay, here is nothing but you're going to get all the critical stage, critical incident records you're going to use. So that parameters or that kind of things also you can mention over here. Okay, and here we have, I can see, contains. So short description contains SAP. Okay, contains is nothing but in short description SAP, when this kind of word should be available in all the short description of all the records. Let me show you that now, where inc is equal to. So if I use this, now see here, we are going to glide the record of an incident table and add active, it's like an add active query is nothing but we are going to get only the active records, not the inactive records. Okay, now active, in one more filter is nothing but priority less than or equal to 2. And next thing is like an add query, short description contains only SAP. Okay, so here if we have like an in here we have like an one record with a SAP, right? And then here we don't have like a sap word, here we don't have like a sap word, here we don't have. So what the script which you have, which we have written, so contains sap. So when wherever the word contains the sap word in the short description of all the incident records, those records we are going to filter in. We filter here and into printing here. See, inc dot number with the short description, that is what we are doing. So we are separating by giving like an plus symbol. So this is nothing but giving the space as well. So if you want to give space, just give in a single quote. Okay, just run it. Click on the run script. See, only two we have like an this incident with the sap word. So here we have like an sap. Right. So in description, the word contains in the middle or else starting or anywhere, wherever the word contains in all the field value, wherever it might be. So those records will come out. Okay, here we have like an only two. Now, so next, let me go to the next one. Come a bit down. So this is what very easy actually. Go one by one for the all the records. Okay, you will get a clear cut idea. So see, add active query. So add active query is nothing but instead of using active is equal to true, this method use directly add active query. Okay, you are going to filter only the active records, not the inactive records in a, I mean from the incident record. Now this is like I'm getting all the inactive records. Just read the heading. What is the what is the thing? What is the method? What is the purpose of this? And how we are going to achieve by using scripting. Okay, so all the things of the glide record. This is the basic thing which you're going to use. Okay, only the method will change. Only the is little bit of requirement will change. That's it. Not more than that. It's very easy to understand as well. Okay, now let me go down a bit down. See, get encoded query. We are going to use like an encoded query. See, add encoded query. This is what already we had discussed about the encoded query. Let me go a bit down and we'll show you a new thing. Order by. So here order by is nothing but we are going to order something based on a ascending order. Okay, if you go for an order by, so display all records in order by according it depends on a field values. Okay, see, we are going to glide the record and adding the query and add query of the software and description and all. We are going to order in a ascending order. So the all the incident will display or else execute based on the ascending order. Now order by descending. So here we are going to order by descending as well. Right, where we are going to order by this descending, order by descending, we are ordering like in short description. Okay, so from A, it is like an ascending. It will start from an A alphabet to Z alphabet. If it is like a descending, it will go from an Z to A. That is what. Next. So set limit. So set limit is nothing but let's say example first record which I have showed you is like it showed me like in 164 records, right? So if I want to to display only 100 records or else if I want to show only 10 records, not more than that, then I can go for a set limit method by using like in set limit inc dot set limit of 10. So if I give like in 10, what will happen? Only 10 records I can see. If it is like an only 20, if I mention here only 10, 20 records will come out, not the remaining thing and all. That is the purpose of a set limit. Okay, let's say example I'm getting like an thousands and thousands of records in a script when I run something, or else while executing I'm getting like an lakhs or it's like an thousand to records. You can set the limit as well about the execution point of view. You can limit the result. Okay, that is what you're going to use like in set limit. Now so this is what actually, so one by one choose window. So you are going to choose like a window. See here, include first value, include second value. So here see, priority one, all the things. So here we are going to mention like in position actually. Let's say example, I got like in 10 records. Okay. Now if we are going to display or else we are going to show the records from serial number 3 to 6. Okay, so the it will include like an third record. So include first value, exclude second value. So it will include the first value, third record will come, fourth record will come, fifth record will come, sixth record will come. Okay, so we can limit the thing based on the position as well. Okay, let's say example I have like 100 records. Okay, I need only from the 50 to 100, not the first one. Okay, for this what I'll do, I'll just give like an this method, choose window method, and I can print only from a 50 number to serial number 50 to 99. Okay, so this is what the thing actually about the choose window method. So these and all the things, it's very pretty easy and very understandable as well. Go to this one. Okay, so this is a method and this is the purpose of the thing. Get row count. This is very important. The most of the guys will ask about set row count method in a interview. So set row count is nothing but you are going to print the number of records you have. Okay, so let me show you that as well. So now I'm going to show you how many records are there in my incident table. Okay, see, INC, GNC, this is what the method which I'm going to use. So go to the background script and just run it. I have 164 records. Is that correct? See, 164 records in my incident table. So set row count is one of the method to get the count of the record. Okay, so here see display all records of a particular table. That's it. It's an easy and now we are up to time actually. So this is what go to one by one method. It's pretty easy. So here this is a method and this is a purpose and this is a script and this is a result. Everything one by one, it's showing very clearly and very understandable manner as well. Go to one by one method and get the purpose and why you are going to use this, what is the use case which they have used it. Okay, just get an awareness and idea on these methods. That's it. Okay, if you are very good in all these methods which we have which we are going to uh, discuss. Okay, so these things and all, you will be like an rock star in scripting. Okay, so this is what you just need to go one by one actually. Let me know if you have any queries, or else no, we can wind up the call for today.